This is how to use the find and replace functionality from Google Sheets. Now, the first step is to press Ctrl and H, and that will open up this menu. Make sure to write what you want to search for. In my case, it's Antalya. Of course, add the value that you want to replace with what you've just found. And over here in this drop-down, decide if you want to search within all the sheets in the workbook, the current sheet, or just a specific range, like I will do over here. Then for these options, if you want to match a specific case, check this one. Otherwise, if you want to search more loosely, do not select it. And also, if you want to search within formulas or within links, you can also use these options. The buttons on the bottom, the find will just highlight the current value that it found. The replace is going to replace the current value that it found. The replace all is going to perform a search across the specific range, the sheet or the entire workbook, and it's going to replace that value, just like I did over here. And then when you're done, press done, and this is it. This is how to find and replace in Google Sheets. Thumbs up the video if you like this. Let me know in the comments if you had any issues, and I'll try to help you out. And if you choose to subscribe, you'll see more videos like this one.